Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today is my topic: how to enable or disable download button on Google Chrome toolbar. First of all, I write Chrome Plex and address bar of Google Chrome. Write download. You check download button already exists in toolbar. Disabled that yeah, disable and relaunch. Click in it. Browser will automatically restart. My download button is now disabled. Now I want to enable download button on toolbar. Again enable it. Now browser restart. After clicking on relaunch, now you see download button show on toolbar. Now when you can download an image, video, that show on download button. Thank you viewer. Please like and subscribe my video for next latest topic. Love is